Hi there, this is an introduction to the first case study exercise for the location advantage. In these exercises, we'll provide real-life business scenarios. You'll be exposed to geospatial techniques that can be used to solve problems that many businesses face, and you'll receive hands-on experience in applying these techniques using the software tools. In the lecture, you saw how location is relevant to many different parts of a business, in many different industries. Here, you'll prove that business is all about location, and you'll see how to put the location information in the data that your organization already has to new uses. In this first exercise, you'll use ArcGIS Online software. This is Esri's cloud-based GIS platform, a software as a service. It is useful for business because it adds the geographical component to any analysis to help answer almost any business question. You'll have a chance to explore the software while working through case studies that tackle real-world business decisions. ArcGIS Online can be used to visualize data as maps, perform analysis, edit data, make presentations, create web apps, and more. Because ArcGIS Online is cloud-based and scalable, it can hold all of your organization's data. You can map your data along with content from Esri, such as street maps or demographic data. These maps can be shared with anyone in your project team, organization, or the general public, including customers, suppliers, or other stakeholders. In this course, you'll use this four-step decision-making workflow for problem solving. It starts with framing the business problem as a question to be answered, then modeling a solution, performing the analysis, and interpreting the results. In the resources section, we've included a downloadable one-page strategy document that can explain each of the steps in greater detail. You can reference this document throughout the course and apply the workflow to business problems in your own work. Actually, you can use this workflow for making any business decision, whether it involves location information or not. In this week's exercise, you are an analyst at a fictional bank in Toronto, Canada. You want to analyze the characteristics of the areas where your bank branches are located around Toronto and create a presentation for management to support a discussion about promoting some new services. These are the basic steps, and I'll give you a similar list or overview each week. Remember to consider the four-step workflow, which we'll reference as you perform these steps and answer the business questions. We'll show you in the exercise where to find the document in the Resources tab for further explanation. You'll start by using a technique known as geocoding to plot your bank branch locations around the Toronto metro area on your map. Geocoding just means using locational data, such as street addresses from a spreadsheet, to place them on a map. Then you'll use visualization to add information to the map, and you will visually analyze spatial relationships in the areas where the bank branches are located. You'll use different base maps as well as different data layers to give more context and learn more about the areas. Finally, you will put all of your maps into a web presentation that you can share with management and others in your organization to help interpret the results and make decisions. So I hope you enjoy this week's activity. Experiment, look around, see what else you can do with the software. It can be pretty useful, and we're adding more tools and data to it all the time. Good luck and have fun.